To be clear then, you say now reposting, special posting, extinct.
We are done with it. We are done with it. And I'm not going to spend a lot of energy saying it.
Welcome to the Political Rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. You know, say media, as I always tell me, that me pay political beef power. And say anytime it is a beef or what, you will see me there. Especially say social media, because physically they won't share here, no be there ko boo. And physical beef they made them in call, but say a political beef I was social media as well. I always trace it and I always will bring you the update. So since then, there's a new beef that we have uncovered. Now the beef really between some youth of the NDC, okay, and the newly appointed National Service Director. Mom said National Service there, as you know already, is mandatory. While we university and as a tertiary biano, you are supposed to carry out a 1-year mandatory national service to the country as a way of saying thank you. It's also a way of preparing you for the job market as to what to expect, how to present yourself, and all those. And a learning period and also a service period. Now, the new National Service Director was granted interview here with 3FM. And after the granting of that interview, many of the youth in NDC have begun talking so much. Now, I said saying, okay, the director say, ono oba position nemono, portfolio nemono, one my instruction back. Now, instruction say, no protocol posting. I say reposting. Okay, no protocol posting or reposting. Then I have protocol posting and reposting. I thought they be or most of the time now, it me post will be I say, or your engineer, okay, but they post the person to a hospital, right? And the person will be like, oh please, I can't go to the hospital. So I need a company maybe that deals with engineering. So some of these repostings are done. Also, also, when your party is in power, no, say advantages kakrewo. And most of the time, under successive governments, conformity more TESCON here MPP4 more intellectual wings war tertiary campuses. And I said teyin here NDC4 or version of the intellectual groups are more tertiary campus. Most of them do final year. They are given the privilege to choose where they want to go and do the service. Okay, so when they do that, then the list is sent to National Service, then they post them to those places. So that is one of the privileges of belonging or working for your party at the tertiary level. Director will say Debbie, he is going to have none of that. Okay, and to new director Ankasagurano, on your repost in my obia. And to say, no director on your repost in my who be you? We are 1 year away repost in my obi.
I think that even in my silence, it's done. When we post you and you have special considerations and all that, we are obliged morally, ethically to make sure that we send you to where you're supposed to go. If there are very peculiar challenges to help you, we will. And as we've sat down a lot more, what is going to happen is that we're going to send our persons to the private sector, a lot of them, and rightly so that they learn the right skills, they get a good experience, so that getting a job after school is easier, and they could also become young entrepreneurs, the future businessmen. So I have said that every business in Ghana, where people in their old ages are doing national service people on radio, but you know what? This year I have had a lot of text message people saying, oh, you know what? He's going to backhoe. He's going to, after some pressure, he will just give way for this special posting to take place. And then I have sent it to the relevant security agencies. So I'm sure, and I have given fair warning to people that, desist from that. Like I said to you, I, as the leader, is not going to enter in the system and change anything. So who else can? And that is the thing. Since we did the postings, I have not asked them to change one person. No, I haven't.
Are there some more postings yet to come? Another batch of posting in the pipeline?
We're estimating around 22,000. We've done 13,700. So at least about a little over 9,000 people are yet to be posted. Today, we'll see the status of that, and then that would also go as well. And these are for teachers from our colleges of education, mainly.
Now, NDC Youth no say omunti asie. And Abaku Beka of Facebook say, you, this same director, told some of our 10 folks that passed by your office that you are there to serve Ghana, not the NDC. Ghana appointed you, Abi. Some of us lost our jobs, nearly lost our lives in 2024 for NDC. Now, I said director, I don't say anything. So, all for Ghana, only all for NDC. Now, tell you, if I'm going to one in the office, Yasumam, or frame. I'm going to one in the office. I'm going to say, power changes people. And power changes people. Now, Mufi say, the way you were having access to people when you were in opposition, there be. He continues again, he says, we struggled to capture back the campuses back. Okay, we struggled to capture the campuses back. Senior Felix Jenfi, we won't allow you to destroy our base on the campuses. Now let's go to some of the comments. People have been commenting. Most of the NDC guys have been commenting. Obviously, Andrew Jr. says, I will always maintain that appointment be given to people who really work on the grounds as in campaigning. The pain in campaigning won't allow you to make decisions that will make your next campaign difficult. And another person, Junior, says, unfortunately, when their actions affect the party, they won't feel it. Diana says, hey, it is well, oh. Jerry says that he is not serious. Where was he when we were suffering to get victory? He is enjoying free. 2028 is just at the corner. He should be getting ready to non-negotiable stand to campaign. Nonsense. Mercer says that just listen to this. He was nowhere to be found during the campaign, and now he has the effrontery to tell us this. Ohini says, a favor, please, who is this fool scattering the beans on TV like that? Does he appreciate where the office he is occupying? Does the English is some way, and this is for there. Does know how party me and women fought to bring the NDC into power? He should continue fooling over there. Jude Mama says, why didn't he go to the private sector to work? Karim Apia says, what kind of decision is this? Are we going to have another Pesa White and Kugbenu? Osman says, same thing Pesa White did. It affected us in the long run, telling Tein to go to the villages for their national service. I think the service has to relax the rules a bit. Otherwise, gonna be a bad idea. Jonathan says that, I hope you will help us to campaign in 2028. You see, let me tell you, NDC Youth. One thing you don't understand is that some people will not be on the ground, but their money is on the ground. When they are organizing fundraising dinner, do you go there? You don't go there. So you don't know what is going on. Some of these big men, you will not see them physically campaigning. But it is their money that they are using to give you as transport TNT to go to the grounds. And you can complain all you want, but you can't do focal. All these complaints you are complaining on Facebook is not what is going to make John Mahama sack him. John Mahama knows how much money this man invested into his campaign. And the man must recoup his investment. And nothing you will do will change it. Keep quiet and suffer. And go and do service for private that will say This has been the political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, so that and turn on the notification, so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye, cheers. See you in the next one.